Want to create professional documents without a paid word processor? LibreOffice Writer gives you everything you need to create letters, reports, assignments, resumes, and other documents. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create documents in LibreOffice Writer in 2026. So let's get started. First, open LibreOffice Writer and choose Create a New Document or select Text Document from the LibreOffice Start Center. You'll start with a blank page where you can enter and organize your content. Next, type your content into the document. You can create a title, headings, paragraphs, and lists, then use the formatting toolbar to adjust fonts, sizes, alignment, and spacing. Using heading styles instead of manually formatting, every heading can also keep longer documents consistent. Now you can add tables, images, links, and other elements to make your document more useful. Open the Insert menu and choose the element you want to add. Tables are especially useful for organizing information, while images can make reports and other documents easier to understand. Next, review the page layout. You can adjust margins, page orientation, paper size, and other settings to match the type of document you're creating. Take a moment to check the layout before adding the final content. Before finishing, review your document for spelling, formatting, and other mistakes. Then open the File menu and choose Save as to save your document. You can save it in Writer's standard ODT format or choose another compatible format when necessary. Finally, export your document when you need a shareable or printable version. Writer lets you export the finished document as a PDF directly from the application, so your document is now created, formatted, saved, and ready to share. And that's how to create documents in LibreOffice Writer. Start with a blank document, add and format your content, insert useful elements, adjust the page layout, review your work, and save or export the finished file. Once you learn these basics, you can create everything from simple letters to detailed professional reports. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.